Right.
Can I ask a question about his question?
Please do.
If that person wants to break his oath, can he break it?
According to this, yes.
Yes. And is there any penalty for that?
The normal penalty of spending in the cause of Allah, feeding the poor people, etc., that's a small penalty which is not related to a real oath. A real oath should not be broken. And the oath which is genuine in the sight of Allah and which relates to a teaching which is good, how can it be broken? If you break the vow that I'll say prayer 5 times a day, this is an oath which is unbreakable. So no penalty is required, but the penalty is related to the abstinence from saying prayers. So this is a different situation. There are such penalties as are normally related to irrelevant and stupid oaths. They should be paid.